Tisha minim electoral commission Ghana use plastic buckets at the voting. Minim say use plastic buckets say voter registration say use plastic buckets in the oil. I don't know. Nipa no mo ho achire mu no buckets ne plastic bowls ne plastic ne ma ye de bro mu omo use ye cause I hu everything is raised down to ground zero. Na niema ye de bro mu no eye den ne ebe registration equipment biometric machines and say that I declare voter registration. What is happening in our country? When in Nehemiah Debre says cars no mutual pictures say you call voter registration. It is true here the says cars no is made up of mattresses. Where are the mattresses? Mattresses, blankets, used clothing, food items, rice, oil, everything. Say they nipano. Into here then I call electoral commission registration exercise. What are the mattresses? Let's go and look at that one too. The sales cars, all the sales cars are here. They are open. So look through all the cars and show me one single electoral box or biometric machine. Now when Obekwa kwaya sa connection bibi say secret no the media for besan account. Enti say omo ye critics now omo keka sa ansem no. When now obe sorry say government say okoye voter registration secret bi na the media men aka ho. Say eba any media men nyina na nam ye nyina na yete basem. We didn't want to use our V8 near to cut down costs. Enti minister o hwan ye obi a nyina ya han STC bus back on etim. And ye by media for you are part of us. All the sales cars are here. Munhwe ni nyina mu na munchire electoral box and biometric registration machine back okra. It's sad.
Ye nyina ye dai. Ebo na ajotu afokuru. Ye ti so mu si eja. Ye sorry ye no na ye hunja no. Eja ehun ye no omutimi ndum. Ye be hu aja ni wa broke we ni na. Ti sisi ani na ye hye ho. Obi ne be pai ho no mama ye asa na ye pie ye ti ye pie ye no omu ina omu bai na so eja no mutimi ndum sa na ye nyama ni na bibia hyi anso ebia nyame na abua ye obi ankem ye nyina ya pie onu anu Ghana penyifo no omu ina omaba e na Togo fo omu si omu di ye omu di bibi be maye na so ade omu di bai no Mudiaba. Yes, sana. Omukaye. Na so mu ba esisi ani dia. Ye nyina no, eni agi omu. Me ye friend me believe. Me waache. Me free voter regi. Yes. Me free kaji. Me kompuanu. Da bi mi tomu nam yo
sika na odi ejuma ye nyi sika nti aha na enso ye da nti ye pochoma ombo boy kakra ye hu chire papa ye pocho ombo boy dam na o ye nche
ya hu chire hen o often ye didi mi na ya ade na ye ntali shem ya pela ba mbo hen no obo no men wabi bia bada no yin sikasam a ebetumi ya be ejuma mfira pam mekwapo me na mamba me yini me ba ha che
je akplabanya la mi ya hempie yo wa he wo heliji wo ko no me no patanya hekla na me klala ba bi kon je la nyapio o nikomele ko ya na be hiyo Oma ho he no oje ase mostly wanyemi o makasa mbobo na manage ko ne wange he ne mene wa mahin
okoyo ka bi hen yo
yes
di han melo hen yo
ye je mi awiem tututu linga no ne
wow 40 years
98
40 years
yeah
le mo nta di han melo na
amateur is Jaime back enumi.
No can 25 years there about Loba here. Le pio no nya young na de le obi omange. Na 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 nya here de win ba.
Okra wa ho nya mi o men ne mene
Angla we ne ja dan le wa ho particular bobo paku wanga hene mene wa mahin la
kwa pia mini yen twin
wo no le wanga ya
dele nyen hin wo ya
lo yi ni do ke wanga nyemi o makasam lo wa ke ya bobo ko ne ke wanga no ko na hene wa mana gba ko ngo ko ne wa ma wa we ngele jo
na no kuta mama ba na da register nyen hiyo
dabi
anoko no ko ba pe
registration munyu ko be here kura
la na ba hu no ko pla gbogbo ko ba lo no ko jan
o ni ne pla le ni ko me pla ne aya hospital ka ni na ngba se gbogbo le kide no ko imangonya je ka ne ka ye ngbe the very day on pla ba echi ba yo lo ikele yeah ikele ba wa nyemi wu ka ba be ine gbogbo ka ye ngbe kina made kina ine gbogbo
mini bela la je si mini hanela ba
la leneji hanela je pio ke ido no ko pio imangonya se once of a sudden la leji nyegbe escalate nga klewule ba klepewo
okay libio
yeah
mini be
that is 3rd January pepepe nyomi
wow
2 am
wow obiene
achemi mauko avinu blabo
Yes, but why you leave your home? I didn't give that. Why you leave your home? Olaga. Why you leave your home?
Stand on. I'm the smallest guy, bro.
Right body.
Space in you. Money le, you go do it. What there?
Jane, oyo bra. Johnny. Oyubra.
His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo, I present these relief items to Honorable Nana Ajiman-Prempeh, Director General of the National Disaster Management Organization in Ghana. Thank you very much.
Togo. So because the president representative is here, the ambassador, His Excellency Demetia, I want to take this opportunity to let
this shine.
Teams, the January 3 fire inferno at Katanga. The president wants you to know that he cares about every Ghanaian everywhere, including those of us in Togo. So take these items and let them take care of the victims for now. But I believe that we shall come again and make sure that we help rehabilitate the people who have lost their livelihood and make them productive again. We believe that the Ghanaians here will acknowledge the beautiful things that have been brought by the president and let him know that you appreciate what has been handed over to you today. Thank you very much.
Deputy Minister Ambassador any mpanimfo ahia wa ha nyina no nkra ye de mam se mfama ye man pani Nana Ado se niema ode abreye no ye ni asopa ye ni so because ne wa ho hiem Togo government ni ye bi bana kakakra ono nso de we abekun ye kra ye da na se nyame nhyira no mpanimfo na ba ye nyina so no nyame fom nkodu fi asomdwe na ye bem hye ne bo se niema no ode amaye no sabio ye nya ne basabasa ye be yusu mo no so ahu se mfaso abaso ye da na sini oye ma ye nyina free SHS eba no ye nyina ye ma ekobi de ekoso ebi ma or restore nurses allowance num ni ade chese niema pa wo ye Ghana nyina ye ni tua na yesre se ɔmo nkɔ so na ɔmo nya ne saa ama yɛ na yɛso nyame ada roma yɛso yɛni ɔmo hwammɔ ni ɔmo ayɛ ama yɛ no sɛ bi yɛhu bi da yɛatena ha me a meka sɛ matena more than 39 years nneɛma atoto yɛ bebree ɛso bi ma saa da ɛso wei a wabɛyɛ akyerɛ yɛ yɛhu sɛ ɔyɛ ɔpani a ɔdwen ne mma nyinaa ho ɔnyiyim enti yɛda no ase nyame nhyira no na ɔma no adwen kɛseɛ no a ɔde bu man no ɔmfa bi nka no na ɔma no nhyira no mmra no so sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a mfie na ɛwɔ yɛ anim yi ɔbɛsa akɔ na wayɛ nneɛma akɛseɛ ama yɛda no ase